This integrate my membership. I defend one movement is Constitution. Promise to always bear true faith and allegiance to the same. Promise to actively participate and support all OMI's activities and the members in particular. I promise to impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Okay, congratulations po sa ating lahat. Member of One Movement. Welcome po sa ating lahat. Magsipagpupo tayo.